Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So today we are going to start our class with the discussion of periodic test paper one. Okay, na? Periodic test one paper we are going to discuss first so that you can know the answers, how many answers you have done correct. So first question was, who wrote an influential pamphlet? What is the third estate? Yes, anybody? Yes. Who wrote the influential pamphlet? What is the third estate?
Ma'am, option.
Options are above Abysses, Jane Paul, or Olympia de Gorges.
Ma'am, option B.
You give the name Abysses. Abysses,
ABC.
Abysses will be the correct answer. Okay, for first, those who are written Abysses, they will get the correct. Then second, which group of people did not join the Jacobin Club? Artisans, shopkeepers, daily wage workers, men with property.
Option D.
Man with property.
Man with property.
Yes. Man with property will be the correct option. Most of you have written shopkeepers and daily age workers. That will be incorrect because the third estate included these shopkeepers, artisan, daily wage workers. Clear? So this will not be the correct answer. The correct answer will be man with property. So which group of people did not join the Jacobin Club? Man with property.
Man with property.
Okay. Then the National Assembly framed the Constitution in 1791 to limit the powers of
A
Monarch.
monarch.
Monarch, ma'am. A option monarch.
a monarch. Correct option. The next question is from the country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. Bhutan, Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
Pakistan.
Ma'am B. Tajikistan.
Ma'am B. Ma'am B option.
Kazakhstan. Here, B will be correct option. That is Tajikistan.
Yes, ma'am.
Then fifth question, which line divides India into approximately two equal parts?
Ma'am,
Tropic
option
of
B.
Cancer. Ma'am, Tropic of
Ma'am
Cancer.
B. Tropic of Cancer.
Tropic of Cancer will be the correct option. Then in which year did the Indira Point submerge under the sea water?
2004.
2004.
2004 will be the correct option. The word democracy from the Greek word.
Ma'am, option
Democracy.
A. Democratia.
Yes. Most of you have done this answer now. Many has written demos, Demos. Many has written Kratia, only half. This is C and D option, Kratia. And many have written A option also, Democratia. That is Democracia. All these will be the incorrect option. The correct option will be Democratia, Democratia. Kratia will be the correct option. Democratia. Demokratia. So B option will be the correct option. Clear? Next question. Started one elections in Mexico.
Revolutionary Party.
Option C.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, option C.
International Revolutionary Party.
Ma'am C.
Revolutionary Party.
Option C.
C option will
Ma'am C.
Institution Revolutionary Party.
revolution
Revolution Party.
बिकॉज इसमें भी आप लोगों ने काफी लोगों ने बहुत गलत किया है ये रेवोल्यूशनरी पार्टी को मार्क किया आपने तो रेवोल्यूशनरी पार्टी गलत होगा रेवोल्यूशनरी पार्टी this C option they will get the correct clear now next is which of the following fixed capital tools and machines tools and
Yes, ma'am.
okay then next
Tools and machines.
10th question HYV seed stands for
Tool and machines.
High yielding variety seeds.
Heavy
Seed.
high
yielding. B option.
B option, adding variety seeds. Those who have put B option, tick mark the B option, then it is the correct option. Clear? Next question in 7th
Ma'am.
4. Louis VI
France,
of Bourbon family of king. You know?
France,
Yes,
France,
yes.
France.
France will be correct option. Then second, next means the burden of financial activities of the state during the old regime was borne by the,
third
Ma'am,
estate.
third state.
yes,
Ma'am, third state.
third estate, that will be the C option will be correct, okay? Next, India lies in the dash hemisphere.
Northern
Ma'am,
Hemisphere.
northern hemisphere.
Yes, northern hemisphere. Then next is
Yes, ma'am.
the form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people.
Democracy is the form
Democracy.
of government
Democracy.
in which the rulers are elected by the people.
D option will be correct, that is democracy. Then the activities such as small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping are referred as,
Ma'am,
Non-farming
non-farming activities.
yes, non-farming,
activities.
Activities.
non-farming activities, okay? Uh, Next question,
Yes, ma'am.
what was newly elected called?
The newly
Ma'am,
elected
they are
assembly
called
was called
convention.
the convention.
Yes,
Ma'am, option A. The newly elected assembly was called as convention.
convention, okay? CONVION, convention.
CNTIO.
Which theory was proposed by Montesquieu?
Theory of
Ma'am,
division of
theory of
power.
division of power.
Yes, theory of division of power.
Power.
Then next is name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea.
Ma'am,
Lakshadweep
Lakshadweep Islands.
Lakshadweep Islands. Here,
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
sorry, option Lakshadweep Islands.
Islands.
Why can the Chinese government not be a democratic government even the elections are held there?
Government is always formed by the
Option
Communist
C.
Party.
Government is always formed by the Communist Party.
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, option C.
Government is always formed by the Communist Party.
Party.
Then next question, which of the following is the
Party.
unit of measurement of land?
Hector.
Ma'am, B. Hector. Ma'am, B. Option Hector.
Hector will be correct. Okay, next question, what is a bulletin?
Yes, ma'am.
A device consists of two pole and a blade with which a person is
Ma'am, a
added.
device
It was named
consisting
by
of two
after
pole and
Dr.
blade with the
Bulletin,
Yes,
who invented it.
very good. So A option was correct option. That was full definition of bulletin was given there. Clear? What idea a tablet convey?
Cap worn by the slave upon becoming free.
same for all.
Yes, law is same for all and all are equal before law. B option will be correct. Clear? Next,
Okay, ma'am.
how has the opening of helped in reducing India distance from Europe?
Since option A, since the opening of Suez Canal in 1869, India distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers.
Yes. The option A will be correct. That is, since the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Next is why is quality decisions are possible in democracy?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, a
option A.
democratic decision always involves
Decision
many
always
person
involves
discussions
many
and meetings.
person discussions and meetings. This improves the quality of decision making.
Very good. So A option will be correct. The democratic decision always involves many persons, discussions and meetings. This improves the quality of decision making. So A option for this will be the correct option. Next, who are the small farmers?
Small
Small
farmers are
farmers
those
are
farmers
those
who have
farmers
less
have less
than
than
2 hectares of
hectares
land.
of land.
Yes, less than 2 hectares of land. That is A option will be
Correct.
correct option. Now next map questions will be there. Under map question, first question was a place where fortress prison was stormed by people in 1789. Marked as
Paris.
Paris.
yes, Paris. Paris was the Patriots Prison, which was stormed by the people in 1789 and marked with the star. Clear? So those who have written A option Paris, it is the correct one. Next, a port of France related to slave trade marked as circle.
Ma'am, option C.
Option C.
Bordeaux.
Borders. Borders will be the port of France related to
Option C.
the circle. Next is the national anthem of France gets its name from the place marked with rectangle.
Ma'am,
Option
Martin.
B.
Chilies will be the correct option. Next is then India map. India map was given. From this India map, you have to find out from the given map of India, identify the red color line. Red color line was clear. Colors were clear.
Option A.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, tropical
Tropical
cancer.
cancer.
The correct option. And the second was green color line.
Ma'am, second was standard
Ma'am,
meridian.
standard meridian.
Standard meridian.
Standard meridian.
Standard meridian. I hope now all the answers are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What answers you have given, now you can know what marks you will get it now.
Yes, ma'am.
और अभी हमने
Yes,
discuss
ma'am.
अगर ये आंसर्स आपने लिखे हैं that means you will get full marks. Otherwise, if any of the answers are wrong, then your marks will be deducted. Clear?
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now we will continue with our half yearly course now. We will continue with our half yearly course. I hope everybody has opened history book lesson number 2. Socialism, Europe and the
Yes, ma'am.
Revolution. Now, students, you all are aware about the French Revolution. You all are aware about the French Revolution? Very much clear
Yes, ma'am.
about the French Revolution. It started for the liberty and equality of the people. Previously, the rule of whom was there? Previously, who was ruling there? Monarchy? Rule of hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Previously, king was there. Year 16. Then what happened? Slowly, new ideas came. New ideas came and people rose against the monarchy system. Yes or no? Against the king who wanted liberty and equality. Why? Because in France, nobody was treated equally. It was divided into different estates, different groups. Yes or no? First two estates were what? They were enjoying the privileges, special privileges. Yes or no? I'm repeating.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm repeating because this Russian Revolution is based on that only. Clear? The French in France, people are divided on the basis of different estates, and first two estates people enjoyed many privileges by birth. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
when people started raising their voice against the rule of the monarch, rule of the king, then they got the what? The revolution started, and it was mainly fought for liberty and equality. The same thing we'll read about this in lesson number 2 also, that is socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. In this also, you will read about the Europe or Russia, where people were inspired by French Revolution. People were inspired by French Revolution, and they also wanted to bring change in the society. Clear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen carefully. This is also very important lesson. As French Revolution first lesson was very important. You have to be very much be aware about whatever I am teaching in this lesson, and whatever I am telling you to underline, please mark it with your pencil. Keep your pencils in your hand and mark it each and everything. This lesson is also very much important. So we'll start with the lesson. In the previous chapters, you read about the powerful ideas of freedom and equality that circulated in Europe after French Revolution. So in previous, as I had already given an intro of French Revolution before starting this Russian Revolution, the same thing is written here, that as you have read in chapter number 1, the powerful ideas of, which powerful ideas? Liberty and equality. Ideas of freedom. Freedom means liberty. Freedom means liberty and equality that circulated. Circulated means spread in Europe. The ideas of freedom and equality spread in Europe after the French Revolution. So French, you can underline this also. Yes, the ideas of freedom and equality circulated in Europe after which revolution? After French Revolution. Clear?
French Revolution.
Good. So French Revolution opened up the possibility of creating a dramatic change in the way in which society was structured. Now the French Revolution, as French Revolution, people were now made aware about their freedom, about the equality. It made them possible for creating a way to form a new society, to bring the change. Dramatic change means to bring all of a sudden to bring a change in their society, in the structure of the society. Now, what was the structure of the society in France? What was the structure of the society in France?
Ma'am, there were 3 estates.
Yes,
First, second, and
very good. First and second estate enjoyed the privileges.
privileges.
By
All
birth.
burden of taxes to pay the taxes was formed on the third estate.
Third.
So this was the what structure of the society at that time. Now people inspired with the French ideas of liberty and equality, they also wanted the spread. These ideas spread means all over Europe, and that is why they wanted to bring, people wanted to bring the change now in the society. As you have read, before the 18th century, society was broadly divided into estates. Now this only is, here also it is there, the same thing that, wait a second. Yes, so as you have read, before the 18th century, society was broadly divided into estates. As just now we have recall what was the French Revolution, how was the society divided into 3 estates, and the order, it was aristocracy and the church, which control economic and social power. It was aristocracy. Aristocracy means, beta? Aristocracy means high class
The
people.
people who get highest.
Very good. Yes, high class people. Aristocracy means high class people plus church. Both of them had control over economic and social power in France before the French Revolution. Now suddenly after the revolution, it seemed possible to change this. Now as soon as the revolution, French Revolution was there, now it seemed possible to change this. What? To change what? To change what? Change this. To change the, what's your topic?
Structure of the
Very good.
into
Yes.
and equality.
Yes, to change the structure. Now, all of a sudden, when French Revolution was there, then it was thinking, means of now people were thinking that now it becomes possible to make changes, to bring changes in the society. How? In liberty and equality. In many parts of the world, including Europe and Asia, new ideas of individual rights and who control social power began to be discussed. Now these ideas which were for the French Revolution of liberty and equality, they were spread including Europe and Asia all over the world, or in all the parts of the world, and that too in Europe and Asia also. The ideas of liberty and equality were spread, and now new ideas about individual rights who control social power began to be discussed. Now the new ideas, which were the new ideas, that people should be treated equally, not on the basis of birth. Because now, previously what happened, people were by birth, they were getting the privileges by birth. Now people were getting new ideas, and now French Revolution had paved their way, had opened their minds to bring the changes in the society, that now individuals should not be treated on the basis of birth, but what work they are doing in the society, and how they what is the structure or what is the condition of particular individual in the society, that should be the main motive, and who controls the social power began to be discussed. Now this was the topic of discussion for the individual rights in the society now, and all over the world. In India, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, underline this, in India, Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Derozio talked of the significance of French Revolution. Now in India also, as these ideas of French Revolution were spreading far and wide all over the world, so in India also, Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Derozio. Now who were Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Derozio? They were the social reformers. Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Derozio were the social reformers. Now they were also talking about the French Revolution, because now as they were social reformers, they also wanted to bring the change in their society. Clear? And many other debated the idea of post-revolutionary Europe, and many of them debated. Now the debates about the French Revolution was there, the discussion was there among the people, and what all conditions were there after the French Revolution. Everything was clear in the minds of the people. Now the developments in the colonies in turn reshaped these ideas of change, societal change. That means the developments in the colonies. Now colonies, the development, slowly, gradual developments were being made in the societies in the colonies, and which helped in the reshaping of the ideas of societal change. That means it helps in reshaping the ideas of to bring the change in the society. I hope this paragraph is clear. How French Revolution helped in changing the society.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, not everyone in Europe, however, wanted to wanted a complete transformation of the society. Now, if anybody takes the initiative to start anything, all means everybody is clear now. Okay? Every means all people not support that particular person. That is truth. एक कोई काम अगर कोई अच्छा करना मांगता है तो सब उसको सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं. कोई यस में बोलता है, कोई नो में बोलता है, कोई दोनों तरफ होता है कि हाँ ठीक है, हो जाएगा तो भी ठीक है, नहीं होगा तो भी ठीक है. So this is mentally means we can say ideas of the people. If somebody wants to bring changes or somebody wants to show the real picture to the people. So not here also the same thing happened. Not everyone in Europe, however, wanted a complete transformation in the society. Though people wanted to bring the change in the society, which was prevailing from the monarchical rule, and they wanted to bring, but not everyone in Europe. Not everyone means सब लोग सहमत नहीं थे कि हमें सोसाइटी में चेंज लाना ही लाना है. एंड दिस इज द मेंटेलिटी ऑफ द पीपल ओनली. कुछ ना कोई तो अपोज में होता ही है, कोई काम अगर नया शुरू करना मांगते हैं तो. यस और नो? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So same thing in Europe also, that everyone was not in favor to bring the complete transformation. Transformation means complete change from monarchical to equality. Monarchical, the structure, whatever the condition was there during the monarchical rule, till the equality or liberty of the society, people of the society, this everybody was not in favor. So responses varied. Responses varied means अलग अलग उनका अपना थिंकिंग थी. People were having their own viewpoints. Responses varied from those who accepted that some change was necessary but wish for a gradual shift. Now some, the thinking was different of each and everybody was not in favor to bring the change in the society, and some wanted to bring, some accepted that they wanted to bring the change, necessary changes, but the gradual shift means not all of a sudden, slowly धीरे धीरे लाना मांगते थे वो चेंज. तो एकदम से हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे सोसाइटी में, बट धीरे धीरे. So these were the different viewpoints of the people who wanted to bring the change in the European society. Clear? After the French Revolution. That means now the people were divided into groups in Europe. Some wanted to bring the change, some wanted not to bring the change, and some wanted to bring the change but in the slow process. Clear? To those who wanted to wait a second. Okay. But wish to graduate to those who wanted to restructure society radically. Now, those who wanted to restructure society radically. Now, some of them wanted to bring the change. Now, the same thing is going on here. Radically means most of you them was radicals means those who were ready to bring the change, but in the slow process. Dhire dhire. What did these terms really mean in the context of the time? What separated these strands of politics and what linked them together? What must remember, sorry, we must remember that these terms do not mean the same thing in all contexts or at all times. So these are the different questions arise that thou, some of the conservatives, that is to restructure the society, some were very much some agreed that they definitely want to bring the changes. Some do not agree that no, they don't want to bring any of the changes. They want to continue with the same process. And some wanted to bring the change, but very slowly. So these were the three categories. Now you can underline these three categories of the people in which the Europe society was now divided. Conservatives who did not wanted to bring the change. Liberals who wanted to bring the change, but not all of, means who wanted to bring the change, but fully not. And radicals who wanted to bring the change. So these were the three, 1, 1, 1. That is 1, 2, and 3. These were the three categories of people, groups that were formed, which were of the different viewpoints to bring the change in the society or not. I hope till here it is clear.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. We'll continue now. Time is running short. We'll continue in a